Ever had this happen to you? You buy a tire repair kit and it just sits in your top case for ages because you rarely need it. But when you finally get a flat tire and you actually need it, you realize the glue has leaked all over the place. The sticky strips are dried up, brittle, and completely useless. The tools are rusted out and in terrible shape. Right when you need it the most, it lets you down. And it's a common problem with many traditional tire repair kits. At LOBOO, we completely rethought how emergency tire kits should work. We believe it needs to do more than just fix a flat tire. What really matters is whether it can perform reliably when something unexpected happens on the road. So, when we started designing this, we looked way beyond just basic functionality. We focused on portability, durability, and absolute simplicity. This isn't just another toolkit. It's an emergency solution built for real-world riding situations. An emergency kit is useless if you can't pack it, or if it ruins itself before you even get to use it. That's why we use the compact hard case design. Unlike cheap soft pouches, it won't get crushed or banged up, meaning no leaked glue or ruined parts. Plus, we added a waterproof seal to lock out the heat, moisture, and sun exposure. No more rusted metal tools, dried out plugs, or useless glue. Even after long-term storage on your bike, it stays ready when you need it. Most tire kits don't fail because they lack features. They fail because they're too frustrating to use. When you're stuck on a dark highway shoulder in the rain, stress makes you fumble. That's why LOBOO optimized the entire layout with a modular, quick-release setup. Pop the case open and the core tools come right out, ready to snap together in seconds. No complicated assembly required. We simplified the design of a reamer and insertion tool, so you can get the job done smoothly, even in the worst conditions. So we simplified the design of the reamer and insertion tool, so you can get the job done easily, even in the worst conditions. Because, let's face it, the faster you fix the flat, the safer you are. In real-world riding, a puncture isn't always caused by a clean, perfect nail. Most of the time, it's a tiny, deeply embedded shard of metal or sharp debris. Instead of traditional flat-nose pliers, we designed this kit with diagonal pliers. The angled jaws reach deeper into the tread, allowing you to grip and remove embedded debris more precisely. It also provides better leverage, making debris removal easier and helping reduce unnecessary damage to the tire. Once the design was finished, our test team put it through extensive real-world testing. We ran it through long-term vibration tests, waterproof testing, extended storage tests, and durability trials in extreme environments. We wanted to make sure that this kit doesn't just work when it's brand new. We designed it to stay completely stable and reliable, even after extended periods of storage and transport on the bike. From opening the case to completing the repair, every step is straightforward and efficient. When a puncture happens, the goal isn't just to get the job done, it's to get it done quickly, confidently, and safely. That's exactly what this tire repair kit was designed to deliver. Great gear isn't just about packing in as many features as possible. It's about delivering stable, reliable performance right when it counts. This LOBOO kit does more than just patch a tire. It gives you confidence to deal with unexpected situations when you are far from home and far from help. Good design doesn't add complexity. It makes problems simple. That is the LOBOO philosophy. Every LOBOO product stems from real-world riding challenges and is answered by engineering design. That is LOBOO. More professional, better riding. See you on the next one.